So how do we actually connect our Gamesir G7 SE controller here, as you can see, to your PlayStation 5? Well, many people think that we can just take the extremely long cable that you get from when you actually buy the controller and you can just plug it in here at the back of the PlayStation 5. So when you plug the USB end, I'm just going to show you real quick. When you try to plug the USB end here at the back of your PlayStation, it's gonna be able to work. You can actually plug it in without any problems, but it's not gonna recognize the controller on PlayStation because this is basically like an Xbox controller, and Xbox controllers aren't recognized on PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4. So what you need to do instead is to get one of those Brook Wingman adapter, and then you're going to insert the Brook Wingman adapter at the back here on your PlayStation 5 or 4, and then you're going to insert this end here into the end of Brook Wingman. Basically what that adapter will do is that it's gonna be like a bridge, it's gonna bridge the gap between your controller and PlayStation 4 or 5, and it's gonna be able to connect the Gamesir G7 SE to your PlayStation after that, just so you know. So unfortunately you need to get that adapter, and then you will be able to connect it to your PlayStation 5 or 4.